Okay, students. So let's start with surface area and volumes. Okay, it's basically the chapter name is called as mensuration, student. Okay, so under this only the surface area and volumes are coming. Okay, so basically why they are specially calling it surface area, because you already learn all 2D figures, and in 10th standard you are going to learn 3D figures. That's the reason. Even ninth also you learn, right? Cylinder, cone, everything you learn ninth standard. Okay,
Yes,
so the
yes.
continuation of the ninth standard only you are going to learn under 10th standard. Okay, so what is mensuration? Anyone knows the definition? What is the mensuration? What is mensuration? Mensuration is what? I think Arsh, you can answer. What is mensuration? Mensuration is what? At least if you don't know, say don't know.
Measurement.
Mensuration is a measurement. Mensuration is the measurement. And measurement of what, student? Measurement of what? Measurement of some parameters, student. What are the parameters you are going to measure? Length, area, volume. Length, area, and volume of some geometrical shapes. What are the shapes? 1D, 2D, 3D shapes. Right? So guys, in the at a high level, we can give the definition like this. Let me take some definition, good definition from the Wikipedia or website. Yes, we can check it as this. Yes, I'll put the definition here, student. So, right. What is the definition is saying there? Mensuration is the branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometric figures and their parameters like length, volume, and surface area, those things. So we are going to learn everything detailing, right? Even though you learned, but still we will revise everything. We will revise everything
Sir,
once.
in surface and in volume, we need to draw the figure, or just we need to understand.
Yeah, wait, Meghul. We will come on way. Okay. So guys, first you should know what is this D stands for. Anyone knows that? D stands for what? D
Dimension.
dimensional. D stands for dimensional. Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3. So 1D, 2D, guys, 3D. Okay, we should know very well, guys. If you want to learn mensuration, yes, you should know learn about this. 1D means what, student? It's just a line, student. This is 1D. 2D means what? Accumulation of lines, student. Accumulation of lines. If you join everything, you will get 2D. Very simple way I can say, student. If you put a point on this line, it can move only left and right. But if you join one line and other line together like this, the point can move left and right and up and down, which means, guys, this is called as plane. This is called as plane. In coordinate geometry also I explained. This is 2D plane. Means if you put a point, it can move either left and right, only one direction. But here in the plane, the point can move left and right and up and down. Okay. And we are going to have 3D, student. What is 3D? 3D. So, okay, before that, what are the examples of 2D? You have your square, you have your circle. Guys, everything is 2D.
Triangle.
Everything is 2D. And triangle, excellent. You have triangle, right? All are 2D. All are 2D. Example for 2D. For 1D, only one example, straight line. For 3D, guys, accumulation of the planes. So, guys,
Cylinder.
this actually what? It's having three different directions. It's having three different directions. It's not one. It's going to have three. What are they, sir? What are they? Listen carefully. See here, the point can move left and right, point can move up and down, and point can move front and back. Guys, 3 different directions. Sir, I'm not able to visualize that, sir. Very simple, student. If you have a line, this is a point can move only one direction. And consider, student, in your you are sitting in a room. In the room, you have a walls are there, right? Take any one wall and put a line and put a point. I'm putting the restriction. The point can move only on this line, meaning the point can move either left and right. That's all, only one direction. But if I put a condition, the point can move anywhere on the wall, means a point can move left and right as well as up and down. But the point, whether it can come out from the plane, no. But the room where you are sitting, clear or not, you just visualize, student, what are the direction you can move? What are the direction you can move? You can move left and right, you can move front and back, you can move up and down, clear or not? So all 3 direction you can move. That's why the room where you are sitting is called as what? 3D space. 3D space. So how to say that, student? 1D line, 2D plane, 3D space. Sir, what are the examples, sir? The one which I have given, it's like a cuboid, student. Like that, you can have what? Cylinder you have, cone you have. What are the things, other things you have? Cone. But it looks like a triangle, student. Okay, why I'm not able to? Because my board is 2D. For making this 3D, I have to create this kind of line. Okay, and create this kind of line. Yes. And your sphere, your hemisphere, guys, these are all 3D figures. Okay, so I'm giving a highlight, student. Okay, before I'm going to our chapter, just you should understand what is 1D, 2D, 3D. 1D line means what you can measure. You can measure only the length. 2D means you can measure. 2D means you can measure what? You can measure length. Apart from that, you can measure something called area. In line, you don't have an area, student. Please remember. Okay. In 3D, you can measure some length, and you can measure some surface area or bottom area. I can say simply area. Also, you can measure one more thing. What is that? In 3D, what? It's having capacity, means volume. Correct or not? So it having 3 different parameter you can measure. Guys, this is what it's the measurement of the parameters. What are the parameters? Length, volume, area. Are you clear, student? Are you clear? So please realize that 1D means I can measure only the length. 2D means I can measure length and area. 3D means I can measure length, area, and volume. If I ask you, what is the volume of square mean? Who knows the formula? Volume of square, who knows the formula?
A cube.
A cube is the volume of square, right? How many of you agree that formula? Volume of square is A cube. How many of you agree?
Don't agree.
Sir,
Don't agree. Why?
Cube only, sir. A cube.
Cube is so. What the volume of square is what?
A square.
Volume of square is A square. Okay. Next answer. Any other answer? Volume of square is what? No other answer, guys? Feel free. Feel free to answer. Priya, you can answer. Vaishnavi. Guys, this is the problem. Why I'm telling this screen. Now you guys understand. Square is a 2D plane. 2D plane. 2D, whether it's having volume, student? No. 2D does not have volume. It's have only area. Only 3D is having volume. So volume is a special property for what? 3D figures. So you should know what are the figures are 1D, 2D, 3D. 1D, no problem. It's line. 2D, 3D. Square is 2D, student. It does not have a thickness, right? Square does not have a thickness. It's having only length and breadth. So it's a 2D. So what is the answer I was expecting? The moment I asked volume of square, guys, you should say, sir, square is a 2D figure. 2D figure does not contain volume, sir. This is what I was expecting from you guys. Okay, you are trying to say a cube, then a square. Guys, are you clear? Very, very important student. You should know that dimensional, one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional. By seeing the object itself, you should say that. Clear or not? So now, guys, there is one special things are there. Something called dot. Dot is what? How many dimension are there? Dot.
0 dimensional.
It's a zero dimensional. Why? If you're trying to put a dot on the dot, where it can move, the dot cannot move anywhere. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
In a line, a dot can move one direction. In a plane, dot can move in two directions. In a space, dot can move in the three different direction. In dot, a point cannot move any other direction. So dot is called as zero dimensional, student. Okay, zero dimensional, and it cannot move anywhere and does not have a length, area, nothing. It cannot have anything. Okay, so it is called as nothing, but from the nothing only all other things are created. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next screen. Before that, any doubt on this screen? Very, very important, student. Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Priya, do you have any doubt?
2D dimension breadth is there, right?
Two-dimensional?
Breadth is there.
Yes, two lengths are there. Now you can call it any name. Okay, for me, two lengths are two distance. That's all. In square, both the lengths are equal. Okay, two axes. That's all. Clear or not? So now I'm going to introduce you guys. Guys, what are things you are going to learn here? Okay, what are the shapes you are going to learn? I'm not going to tell what, student. 1D, it's very simple. Geometrical shapes. So what do you understand, student? Geometric shapes is classified into what? I'm not going to take 1D, 2D. I'm going to take only 2D figures and 3D. 1D, you know already. What is the example? 2D, guys, what are the things you should know in 2D? The formula, guys, tell me quickly, what are the things? You should know square. You should know rectangle. You should know circle. You should know triangle. Guys, these are all very important things you should know. Sir, I learned in 6th standard. Guys, you should know it even now also. And in 3D figures. How many guys you are going to learn? Listen carefully. Very important. What are the things you are going to learn? Is sir cuboid. Cube. Then what you have to know, student? I'll take one more. That is cylinder, cone, sphere,
Hemisphere.
and also frustum. But this is deleted, student. This is deleted for COVID. Guys, rest of things you should know, even though it is something you learn from your 8th standard, something you learn from 6th standard. Yes, you should be very thorough all those things, student, because these are the fundamentals of menstruation, my dear student. Fundamentals. Clear or not? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So it's crash course. So I'm running little fast, guys. You are all very well about that, right? So I'm going to learn running little fast. Sir, what we are learning, sir? What we are learning in the 3D shapes. Okay. What are you going to learn in 10th? These things, okay. Guys, under 3D shapes, you are going to learn 3 different things. One is how to measure the individual areas, individual surface areas and volumes. I can say simply individual shapes. individual solid. We can say individual solids. Then combination of solids. Combination of solids. Then you are going to learn conversion of solids. Guys, you are going to learn 3 different things. And this you already learned 9th standard. And trust me, student, whatever you learn the formulas, same thing can be applied for this guy. You don't need to learn any new formula because frustum is the new thing. That's also they deleted. So literally you don't want to know even a single formula for this 10th, provided you should know your 9th maths properly. Provided you know your 9th maths properly, right, student? If you're not, don't worry, guys. This is a time. That's what I'm saying. That whatever happened, let it be. If you ready to invest your time, yes, magic will happen now. Clear or not? Because I'm teaching the concept. Guys, any doubts? I'm teaching the concept. Plus, I'm teaching the concept. Plus formula. Everything like you are beginner. Even though you learned, you are attending crash course. I'm taking everything from the beginning. So please understand that, utilize this opportunity. Your exam is in the month of June, right? So you have still, times are keep on getting postponed. Who knows that in the middle any COVID cases is coming means they will postpone again. But don't expect that, okay? Who knows that? Correct or not? Correct or not? If some states is COVID are getting increased suddenly, what they will do, student? They will postpone your exams. Correct or not? Because no online setup made. So anyhow, so guys, these are all your 10th standard. Okay, I'm going to revise even the formulas too. Okay, so what is combination of solids? Very simple, student. You learned cylinder and cone separately now. So here they will mix it. This is called a combination of solids. So mixture of the solids, very simple. What is conversion of solids, sir? It's like, you are melting one shape to another, student. Reshapes. It's basically conversion means reshapes. Guys, the mantra, for example, I have a cone. I convert it into sphere, student. What? So when you are converting one shape to another, what will not be changed, student? What is fixed? Anyone can tell me quickly.
Volume, sir.
Volume is not changed. Excellent, right? That's all, student. You understand the logic. So if you ask me, guys, done everything. Done. We have done everything. You know already formulas. You know this concept. Yes, done. We are ready to go directly to the problem, student. But before that, I'll give you some introduction about what are the things you are going to measure, parameter you are going to measure. What are the parameter you are going to measure? Tell me, student. What are the parameter you are going to measure? What are the parameters? Surface area and volume. Bolo. What are the parameter you are going to measure? Surface areas and volume, my dear student. Right. But surface area again classified into 2. Anyone knows that?
TSA and LSA, sir.
LSA, excellent. Then TSA. LSA
Total
stands for
surface
what?
Lateral surface area.
Lateral SA. T stands for what? Total surface area. Guys, can you tell me what is lateral surface area? What is total surface area? Very simple, student. You are all sitting in a room, correct or not? You are all sitting in a room.
Yes,
there are 4 walls surrounding you, right or not? Front, back, and the left side, right side. Guys, the area of these 4 walls is called as LSA, student. Area of the 4 walls. Then what is TSA, sir? You have your LSA na? Plus LSA plus what you have on the top floor and what you have in the bottom. Sorry, top is a ceiling and bottom is a floor, right? Guys, in a room, the room you are sitting, correct or not? The area of the 4 walls is called as LSA. If you include your ceiling and floor, means top and bottom, the total area will become TSA. In that case, guys, your total surface area always greater than the what? LSA. Are you agree? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because you are including additional top and bottom. So TSA eventually includes what, student? LSA also. But there are some shapes where LSA and TSA are equal. Anyone knows that? What is the shape? Anyone knows that? Guys, there is no top and bottom. Tell me some kind of shapes which does not have top and bottom.
Sir, sphere.
Sphere,
Circle.
excellent. Sphere is the excellent. That's a best example where it does not have top and bottom. Top also point, bottom also point, student. If you take a cone, top is a point, but bottom is a circle is there, correct or not? So sphere is the example where your lateral surface area and total surface area are equal, student. We will see all those things. But volume is great, student. There is nothing called LSA volume, TSA volume. No, there is nothing called lateral volume. There is nothing called total volume. So the problematic guy is this student. Who is the problematic guy? This guy is the problematic guy. But no worry that. I'll make you understand. Again, you already understand, right? LSA means surrounding area and total TSA means your LSA plus top and bottom. Right, student? All clear. Introduction all clear, my dear student. Introduction all clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So are you ready to remember the formulas? I can derive the formula, student, but if I start, the whole day will go for that. If I
Yes,
start,
sir.
the whole day will go for that. Okay. So because of the timing situation, student, I'm going to give you nice formula, not from your textbook, student, not from your textbook, from some other textbook, a super formula. Nicely, they gave all the formula, student. Okay. Here is that formula, student. Okay. So as I mentioned, first you should know these two figures. These two combination is one, student. Okay. Cuboid and cube is a one. Okay. And what are the things that you should know, guys? What are the things you should know? I told you now, LSA and TSA and volume, 3 parameters. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? LSA, TSA and volume. Sir, they are using one more word also, sir. Curved surface area, sir. Guys, I'll tell you, particularly these two shapes, it is not curved surface area, student. It is only a lateral surface area, particularly for these two shapes. Clear or not? Now I'm coming to the next. I'm coming to the next. Next two shapes is what? Your cylinder and cone, student. These two are one combination. These two are other combinations, student. Okay. Cylinder or cone. I'll explain this, student. Okay, maybe I'll explain you the formula. Okay, I'll explain you the formula, student. Okay. Next, you have your sphere and what? Sphere, then
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
excellent, hemisphere. Guys, nice way the formula is written, okay, from this textbook. You cannot expect this in your textbook, right? So, guys, these two are the one combination. That's all, student. I'm going to give some additional things, guys, which is not there in your textbook, but it may help you, including first term. Again, knowledge is not just for scoring, student. Okay, you have to apply whenever you have that. Okay, means it's for knowledge. Okay, guys. These formulas you have to be thorough. And the last screen number 10, student, it is optional, student. It is optional. If you want, you can learn it. Okay. Sorry, I forgot this one. 1 minute. I forgot. Okay. You have to take hollow cylinder also. There is no hollow cone, but there's a okay. Yes. Guys, these 4 additional things you can learn. Okay. This I can say additional, but it will help you, student. Okay. Again, I'm saying that max is ends here. Please remember, this formula will help you in so many places. Okay. So remember that. Okay. And but up to screen number 9, guys, no excuse. You should know all the formulas. You should know all the formulas. Sir, I'm finding difficult to remember the formulas, student. You don't want to remember, student. Just, guys, TSA, what I said, your LSA and top and bottom. If you remember that, answer is ready. You can derive, student. You can derive on your own. Even my videos are there in YouTube. You can watch it. And cylinder. Cylinder, how this, sir? The CSA, guys, I wanted to highlight, student. I wanted to highlight. What I wanted to highlight. Sir, you said TSA and LSA both are same or different. Anyone knows that? LSA, TSA are same or different?
Yes, sir.
LSA, TSA same or different?
Different, sir.
Same.
Different, sir.
Different. Then why they are giving same place? Can we say LSA is always TSA? Sorry, LSA always CSA? No, I have asked TSA. Guys, CSA and LSA both are same or not? CSA and LSA both are same or not?
Same, sir.
Different? Different, you are saying different. But I'm saying that, student, guys, I'm saying that your CSA equal to LSA, student. Your CSA equal to LSA. But guys, other way is not true always. What you can see, what I'm trying to say, wherever you want to say CSA, you can use LSA. Guys, LSA is a common word, like we are all Indians, correct or not? We are all Indians, but
Sir.
what happened? We are all split according to the states. So state name is a special name. So CSA is a special name given for LSA wherever the surface area is it in the form, it is in the form of curve. Clear or not? So in cube and cuboid, there is no curved shape, all flat surfaces, student. So you should not use curved surface area here. Whereas the moment you come to cylinder and cone, the surface area, what, student? It is in the same form of curved, right? So that's why instead of lateral surface area, you can say curved. Sir, shall I say LSA of cylinder? You can very well, you can say LSA of cylinder. Shall I say CSA of cylinder? You can very well, no problem. Both are same in case of cylinder. But the moment you are coming to cuboid and cube, guys, you should not use curved surface area because that surface area is not curved. So what is the conclusion, student? Anytime instead of CSA, you can say LSA. But you cannot use anytime LSA to CSA. Are you clear? Even for cylinder, you can say LSA. Even for cone, you can say LSA. Are you clear, student? So CSA is the special name. CSA is the special case of LSA. Remember this, okay?
Yes,
Don't get confused. Don't get confused. I can use LSA everywhere. But if I want to use CSA, the surface area should be curved. Are you clear? This is the conclusion. If you are not clear, remember this. I can use LSA everywhere. I can use LSA everywhere. But CSA means I have to apply the condition whether the surface area is in the form of curve. Any doubt, my dear student? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt? Guys, are you ready? So only two things. One is combination of solids. Other one is
Conversion.
conversion of solids. Very good, my dear student. One is combination of solids. Other is conversion of solids. So if you are going to, today we will learn combination of solids, all the combination of solids, student. And tomorrow in the next class, conversion of solids. What a beauty, correct? You cannot split like this in other subjects, student. You cannot. Are you feeling that? Oh God, just in 2 days, 3 days matter only, we are struggling the whole year. Correct or not? Right teacher will make everything easy, student. Clear or not? But you also should be work, okay? But it's my duty to make the concept very clear. It's my duty, give the right problem to you guys. But who has to do? It's me or you? You, student, okay? I have given the what, student? All the worksheet for every chapter. How many of you really sincerely doing? They will score. No cheating? Yes, you will score. No, sir, I have a school work, this work. Guys, for maths, you don't want to do anything. If you follow my things, 100% will work out. Are you having that devotion, dedication? That's what the magic. Not more hours, student. Just 2 hours per day. 2 hours per day for max. Magic will happen. You can apply whatever you're learning from me. You can apply in your school exam. More than enough. Guys, by end of April, student, all your chapter will be done. Correct or not? So before you are going to the board exam, you are all the chapter on your fingertips. The only thing is that, are you ready to finish everything? Are you ready to finish the worksheets? Are you ready to watch the recording? Are you to revise the concept? Sir, what is the use, sir? It's any of the year going to over. Guys, maths is not like that. As I mentioned, 50% of your chapter is going to come in 11th standard, physics and maths. So you cannot tell it's a waste. No, it is an asset, student. Clear? So now I'm going to start the problem, student. Now I'm going to start the problem. Okay, ready? Start. Start.
Yes,
Guys, are you
sir.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
I'll take the example, this exercise. One minute, sir. I'm just to select the question. Right. Guys, what is the working steps? Please follow the steps. Okay. The moment you see the question, it can be either part of your combination of solids or conversion of solids. Okay. So combination of solids, try to put the diagram, student, but it's not mandatory. Try to put the diagram. Okay. Now you see your student. If you watch this question, a plate top is in the form of hemisphere surmounted on a cone, which means what? Surmounted on a cone, which means what? A cone is here, student. But it is actually inverted, correct or not? Because your hemisphere is going to be on the top. Your hemisphere going to be on the top. Let me rotate, student. Yeah, it's came. Clear? Now let me put a hemisphere, student. Right? Guys, tell me. Guys, it's 2D shape. It's more than enough. But you have to think that it's not a triangle, it's a cone. It is not a semicircle, it's going to be a hemisphere. Right, student? A small diagram will help you, student, to understand the given parameter into the diagram. Okay, you get a clarity, student. You get a clarity. Okay, guys, note this point very clearly. What is the first thing? The total, guys, they said the diameter is what, student? 3.6. Diameter is 3.6, student. What will be the radius? What will be the radius? 3.6 by 2, which means what? 1.8. Correct or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, but I don't like to keep the decimal. Shall I write 1.8 18 by 10?
Yes, sir.
Right. Akshaya is responding. Rest of them are sleeping. Right. Then, guys, they are giving the total height is what? 4.2 or 4.2 centimeter. Guys, that's all. Nothing is given. Only thing is the radius, diameter is given and the total height is given. Now they are asking find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. Listen carefully, student. Here is the magic. Sir, we learned total surface area. We learned curved surface area. Now, I'm not going to say total surface area. I'm going to say required area. Required area means whatever question they are asking, that is your required area. Correct or not? That is your required area. Don't write, don't give too much space on the left hand side, because it's not useful, right? Use like the small way, okay? Only leave the space this much. Required area, student, it's actually total surface area. But guys, if you want to find the surface area, guys, this surface area is includes only this area, and this area does not include the bottom and top. So the moment top and bottom is not included, why top and bottom is not included? Because they joined already. It's not visible. So the area is what? Only this area. That area is nothing but what? CAC of cone. Bolo, CAC of cone plus CAC of hemisphere. What is CAC of a cone? Anyone knows that? What is CAC of cone? Pi RL. Guys, that table is very important. So you should know all the formulas. CAC of hemisphere is what? Anyone knows that? Forgot everything. Guys, before coming to the next class, you should remember all the formula, particularly volume formulas. Everything is important. Okay. So CAC of hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Correct or not? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now what you can take commonly out, student? Pi you can take,
Pi.
r you can take. That's all. So L plus 2r by 3. L plus 2r by 3. Are you ready to substitute? 22 by 7. R is what, student? Radius. 18 by
18
10.
by 10.
L is what? L is what, student? L is this. Sir, L is what, sir? L is this. This L is came from what? Cone. So anyone knows that what is L? The formula is what? Root of R square plus
plus H square.
Square.
H square. So what is R? 1.8 square, student. 1.8 square. What is H? 4.2 square. Is it correct, student? 4.2 is correct or not? How many of you telling that the H is 4.2?
No, sir.
It is
No, sir.
not. Dear, my dear student, H is
Stop
only
the
this for cone. But the height they are giving is entire cone, student. Entire plate top. Means total height is given. You have to find this height. Sir, how to find that, sir? I should know this height, sir. Then only I can find this height. Yes, student. Please remember, in hemisphere, the radius and height both are equal. In hemisphere, radius and height both are equal. In hemisphere, radius and height both are equal. Which means this part is what? 1.8 only. You already know now 1.8. So now you tell me, what is this area? What is this length, height? Anyone tell me?
8 minus 4.2.
Guys, 42 minus 18, think like that. 42 minus 18 is what? Or 42 minus 20, think like that. It's 24. Correct or not? 2.4. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
So guys, this is your work. Correct or not? This is your work, guys. Don't expect me to do everything. Okay, but I can help you, student, to make it. Either you can square it easily, or you can do one more thing. Guys, commonly what you can take between this, if you ask me, both the places, which table is common? 6 table is common. Which table is common? 6 table is common. So here also 6 square is there. Here also 6 square. I'm not saying 6 square means it is 0.6 square. Are you clear? It is actually what? 0.6 square. You can take out 0.6 square out is 0.6. Then inside what will be there? Here 3 will be there. Here 4 will be there. If you are not clear, just square it, add it, find the root. Guys, we know very well. The answer is you will get root 9, you will get the answer is 3. So 3 plus. Sir, how come? Guys, do it. Do you know 1.8 square? 2.4 square? Add both, you will get 9. Correct or not? Can I have a sir? No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Now to R is what? R is what? 18 by 10 by 3. That's all. Now you can simplify. It's your duty, student. The problem is, guys, whether 7 is getting cancelled by anything? No. If it is not getting cancelled, and explicitly they didn't say in the question they didn't say pi equal to this, then keep pi as pi, student. Keep pi as pi, no problem. Are you clear? When you have to keep pi as it is pi, when 7 is not getting cancelled, and in the question they didn't give you that pi equal to this value. When you don't have that condition, you can keep pi as pi, student. Clear or not? Now you just cancel, student. How are you going to cancel this? This is a 5. So now this 18 you can cancel. This is 6. So finally, what is the answer, student? 6 by 5 plus 3. What is the answer? Quickly. So pi into this also you can cancel now. What is that? 5 and this is 9. So 9 by 5, student. And anyone knows that what is the simplification? Quickly, guys. Denominator is 5. So 3 plus 6 by 5, what is the answer? 15 plus 5. Oh God, I'm getting, student. 15 plus 6 is what, student? 21, na?
21.
21 by 5. Yes, I can put in this case 22 by 7, student. Whenever you have something get cancelled, yes, you can put. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This is 3. Guys, rest of them are your duty. Someone can simplify and tell me, then let me know the answer. 22 into 9 by into 3 by 25. Anyone can tell me the answer. Guys, quickly. 22, 9 into 3 by 25. What is the answer? Use calculator. Give me the answer directly. 22 into 9 into 3. That is 22 into 27. No one is doing. I will do that, student. 22 into 27 divided by 25. Guys, the answer is 23.76. What is the unit I have to put? Anyone can tell me. What is the unit? It is a area. Area means what?
Meter
Centimeter?
square.
Centimeter.
Square.
Centimeter square. Okay. Right. Guys, this is called as combination of solids. This is called as combination of solids. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Yes, tell
While
me.
taking common as R, we have R cube, no, sir. We have taken only 1 R outside, but we have written as 2R by 3 only, no, sir.
Yeah. 2R square, na? Right. It's wrong. You are right. Good catch. Why you didn't tell me earlier?
So, no,
Good catch. Good catch. You are right. You are right. Oh God, it's totally wrong. I am applying volume formula, student. It is not a volume, correct or not? Oh God, this formula is for volume. Everything's wrong. No problem, student. You know, this is the experience, correct or not? This is called as experience. So CAC is what? 2 pi r square. 2 by 3 pi r cube is what? Which formula? Volume formula. Guys, I don't, right? Even no one answer. I'm not so happy with you guys, student. What is that? You are not first time learner, correct or not? At least if I'm putting 2 by 3 pi r cube, no one corrected me. Sir, how come, sir? Area is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Not good. Clear or not? Guys, not good. Not good. Okay, anyhow. Pi r, guys, L plus 2r. At least, Vaishnavi, thank God, you corrected for something, but not corrected the root cause. Okay, good. Appreciate you. So let it be pi as pi, student. R is what? 1.8. Let it be, okay? No cancellation. So L is what? 3 plus 2 into 1.8, student. So what is the final answer? Quickly. pi into 1.8 into what is this answer? Anyone can tell me? 2 into 1 is what? 3.6.
2.8.
Sorry, 4.2. Correct or not? No. 3.6. Yes. 3.6 plus 3 is what? 3.6 plus 3 is what?
6.6.
6.6.
6.6. Guys, multiply everything. What is the answer you'll get? 6.6 into 1.8. 11 point. Guys, 11.88 pi centimeter square. Right? So let it be pi is pi student. No problem. Okay? No problem. Guys, very careful. You see that small mistake, it leads to all the mistakes. Everything, gone. Right? Make sure that you should not do those kind of careless mistake. Okay? We will happily do everything. Finally, after coming back from this, oh God, I applied volume formula in the place of area. Right. Now, a solid, guys. Solid in the form of what? Cylinder surmounted on a hemisphere. Anyone can tell me who is on the top? Cylinder or hemisphere?
Cylinder, sir.
Cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if I do other way, will it be wrong? Conceptually is wrong, but mathematically is correct. Conceptually it's wrong, correct or not? Your understanding is different, but mathematically what? You are going to get the same result. Right. So what are things are there? They are giving total height. Clear? And they are telling the diameter. That's all, student. That's all. Now you need this height separate. Okay, good. So ready? Start. Sir, this diagram is mandatory. Diagram is not mandatory, okay, but it's good. You can write the given data, okay. Guys, the diameter is what, student? 21. So radius is what? 21 by 2. Let it be 21 by 2. Okay. And the height is, student, what is that? Entire height is what? Entire height, guys. The total height is 25.5. Don't put 25.5 here. It's wrong. They are telling total height. 25.5 meter is the total height. Now coming to here, guys, they are asking total volume. So I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to say required volume. Well, area means required area. Volume means required area. Required volume. Now, what are the volume? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Step number 1, writing this expression. Step number 2, writing the formula. Formula is what? Pi r squared h. Volume of hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cubed. This is what I put there wrongly. Correct or not? 2 by 3 pi r cubed. Guys, step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3 is what? Simplification. Pi r square you can take out. What is remaining? H plus, guys, 2r by 3. Correct or not? Any mistake if I'm doing, correct me now itself. Right, Sri Vaishnavi? Any mistake if I'm doing, correct me here itself. Don't wait till I complete.
Yes,
right,
sir.
guys.
Yes.
These 3 steps are fixed. Declaration means, sorry, what is the required volume? The expression, volume, the formulas, then taking out the common value and create a formula. Guys, this is a formula for this shape, student. Are you clear? Some student will ready to remember this formula. Whenever you have this combination, you can remember this formula, but it's waste. At least you derive it. Correct or not? So these 3 steps are compulsory. Even here also you see there, expression, individual formula, this. After that, what I did? Substitution, simplification. Guys, only 5 steps. One is expression, formula, simplification of formula, then substitution. Are you ready to substitute? Pi is what? See that anywhere. Yeah, 21 is there, so I can put 22 by 7. Radius is what, student? 21 by 2. 21 by 2. Correct or not? Correct or not? Sir, why you are not writing 10.5, sir? 10.5 is good, sir. 10.5 is not good, student. 21 is a 2-digit number. 10.5 is a 3-digit number. Correct or not? Even though it's equal, but dealing with a decimal is always hectic, student. So keep it 21 by 2. Clear? Now, guys, H is what? Someone will say, 225.5, I will say it is wrong. Why? This
Totally.
H is for what? This H is for cylinder. But this H is for entire height. You have to know what is this H. Anyone can apply that shortcut or the formula what I told you. In hemisphere, the radius and height are equal. Guys, the moment you know radius is 10.5, that is 21.2. This height also 21/2, sorry, 10.5. Correct or not? That is 21/2. So now tell me, guys, what is this height? Remove 10.5 from here. What is the final answer?
15.
15. Excellent. 15 is the answer. Guys, 15 plus 2. R is what, student? 21/2. 3. 3 is what? 3. Guys, everything is done. Substitution is done. Proper substitution. Now your work is cancellation. 3, 11. And here, what is the final answer? Anyone can tell me? 2 2 is cancel. 3 is cancel. So 7. So 15 plus 7 is what? Anyone tell me? 15 into 7 is what? 15 plus 7. 11 into 3 into 21 into what is this bracket? 22. Correct or not?
22.
22.
22. Excellent. So what is the final answer, student? Anyone can tell me what is the final answer? Multiply. 33 into 21 into 22. Guys, check properly. 33 into 21.
1,240.
15.
Guys, one more 2 is there. I forgot totally. Here 1/2 is there, na? You didn't notice that 21/2. It's also 11. Are you clear, guys? No careless mistake. That's not good. Okay, because it's not careless of mistake of mine. Everyone watching this video, correct or not? So the final answer is what? 7623. 7623. Correct or not?
Sir,
7623.
this is the formula. Pi r square h plus 2r.
What is that?
by 3.
Centimeter square, nahi, centimeter cube. What is that? Required volume equal to 7623 centimeter. Any doubt, my dear student? Any doubt?
This is the
Quickly.
formula.
No, sir.
What is that?
That pi r square h plus 2r divided by 3 is the formula.
Yeah, this is a formula. Mehul, by this time you should know all the formulas. Mehul, this is the first time you are attending or already you attended my classes?
Already attend, sir. That pi
But still
r
you
square.
forgot. What is this, Mehul? You should know. Right, Mehul? Right?
Yes, sir.
This
No,
time is
that
okay. But,
derivation. That
huh?
pi r square, that second time you derived one formula also.
You are not clear with anything. This you are not clear.
No, sir.
Now it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Not
that-
clear. No, I'm not. Not clear.
Not clear, sir.
Yeah. I'll tell you. You asked me, huh? So, guys, this step is clear means this is just a kind of factorization. So, what you'll do, you'll take the common factors. Pi is common in both places, and r square is common in both the places you are taking. Then after that, what is inside? What is inside, Megul? You have h inside, and what is inside here? 2/3 will be there, and in r cube you have 1r. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Anyone having doubt, guys, please ask me. Don't hesitate. This is not the place to thinking whether I can ask. You can think in your class, school classes, but here you can be what you are. No matter, guys, even if you don't know addition, subtraction, you can ask me. I'm ready to teach. But all the thing is that intention to learning as well as intention doing the practice student. Clear or not? Sincere practice. Who is sincerely going to work with me for the next 2 months? Guys, your lifetime recognition is going to happen from the beginning is 10th student. Please understand, 10th is the first place you are going to get recognition. Correct or not? Till now, no recognition. Do you have any evidence that you scored centum in max in your 9th standard? Do you have any evidence that you scored 95 in your 8th max? Tell me. Maybe you have some paper. Is it recognized? Will it be recognized by outside of the world? No one recognizes. Even your own school teacher will not recognize. Which means what? The 10th mark sheet is going to be recognized by universally student. Please invest these 2 months, properly, sincerely. Remove, don't throw your laziness. Throw your thinking that let's do it later, postponing the things. These 2 months is precious in my life, golden opportunity, and you got a right teacher in maths. Guys, follow me, sincerely follow me, do the work, close your eyes, follow me. Right guru will bring you to the right place too. But finding right teacher or right guru is not so easy. It's all, all you are what? Purva Janma. Okay, that luck, you are getting the right teacher. Not only me, if you in your life you are going to get so many teachers. Only whoever people, right, at Satkarma, they will get the right teacher. Please understand. So make sure that utilize this opportunity. Right, student? Now coming to the next point. What is that? Anyone can tell me what is this shape? A capsule, student, in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres. Anyone can tell me how it's going to be? It's going to have a cylinder and 2 hemispheres. Guys, capsule will be like this only, correct or not? How many of you have seen that? Sir, never ever have I taken the capsule. It's good. If you are not taking capsule, it's good, student. Right? So guys, now this is your capsule. Right? Say yes or no. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shivani, I can hear your voice. When you join,
Yes, sir.
when you have joined, Shivani. You're not joining on time. You missed the introduction part, everything, Shivani. You should. Because, sir, I'll watch the recording. Recording is.
It's okay, sir.
secondary.
I'll watch the recording, sir.
Okay. Okay, now coming to that. So let's fill the value, student. The entire length is what? Entire length is what? 14 mm, student. 14 mm. And the diameter is what, student? 5 mm. Diameter 5 mm means what? 2.5. Correct or not? Or 5 by 2. So guys, that's all. That's the value they are giving. Now
Sir, 5 by
coming
2
here.
will be easy for doing the problem.
Calculation. Yes, for calculation. Guys, they are asking surface area. What I will start? Required area. What is that? Required area, student. What is required area? Listen. Anyone tell me, even though they are asking surface area, sir, whether it is total surface area or curved surface area, guys, simply they are asking surface area means it's a total surface area only. But here, please remember, the total surface area is this. This area eventually what? CSA of cylinder, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. Agree with me or not? This bottom area will not be visible to you guys. Correct or not? It is not scope. It is not in the scope. So, what is surface area means what? Simply
CSA of
surface area
cylinder
means,
plus CSA of
guys,
sphere, right, sir?
simply surface area means it's total surface area only. But in the diagram, total surface area is what? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. One more. Instead of one more, shall I put 2? Multiply by 2.
Sir, we
Yes or
can
no?
just put CSA of sphere, right, sir?
Yeah, guys, first line you write as it is. Expression. Then the formula expression you can do it directly, CSA of sphere. But the expression I want my student write everything properly. Actual shape you have to put it here. Are you clear? Eventually what? 2 hemisphere is going to become what? Sphere. That you can do all the changes when you are doing the calculation. But this expression, very first line, always what? Proper, student. Proper. Okay? Write the proper expression. Now CS of cylinder is what? CS of cylinder is what? 2 pi r h.
2 pi
CS of
r
hemisphere is what? 2 pi
2
r.
pi r cube.
2 pi r square. Area never be cube, student. Area never be cube.
Yes,
It is
sir.
always multiplication of 2 lengths. Volume only multiplication of 3 lengths. Sir, here you see here multiplication of 2 lengths. Here you see only 1, so multiply r square. Now, guys, what is the third step? Megul, you tell me what is the third step now. You are writing the expression, second formula, third step, what I told you. Megul, I'm waiting for your answer. You have to take the common values now. This is where you said you had a doubt.
Yes, sir. That 2.
Your voice is very low, very low. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let it be. So I'm going to take 2 pi r, my dear students. So h plus what? Balance what? 2r.
R into 2.
R into 2, that is 2r. Right. Are you ready? 22 by 7. Sir, shall I put pi? Guys, you see the radius? No. See the height. I think somewhere you will get cancelled. Let's see that. Let's see. Guys, you can put pi. If it is not properly getting cancelled, you put pi.
Sir, height of the cylinder we have to take as total height minus.
Shivani, I'm going to tell you that. Okay. So height is, again, I'm holding this because you should not do the mistake even unconsciously. So this height, as usual, in the last 2 problem, I mentioned the same. This height is total height. Then this h is what, student? This h, you come back. This h is what? Cylinder height. So cylinder height, this means only this much, not everything. And I want to know answer from Sri Vaishnavi. Sri Vaishnavi, what
11.5,
is-
sir.
huh?
11.5.
11.5 the height? No, you tell me what is the height of this hemisphere?
Hemisphere 2.5, sir.
2.5 here. Here 2.5 here also. So total is 2.5. 2.5 is what? 5. Correct or not? So total is 14. If you remove 5, then remaining is what? H.
9.
9.
9. Okay. Why you said 11.5? I know that because you are removing only this 2.5. What about this height? Sri Vaishnavi, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now R is what, student? R is what? 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
Guys, cancel. Here, I think these 2 will get cancelled. What is the final answer? 22 by 7 into 5. Guys, what is the bracket value? 9 plus 5, it's 14. Now you can cancel. 2. What is the final answer? Someone quickly tell me, student. Use calculator.
110 meter square,
100
millimeter
and-
square, sir. 10.
100 no, check properly.
Sir, 220 millimeters square.
220. Correct or not? 2 into 5 into this is 220. Guys, it's 110. 110 into 220. 220 millimeters. Very, very important. Millimeter, and it's area. So it's a square. Are you clear? Are you clear, student? Everyone, are you clear how to deal with total area, total volume?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
tell me, are you clear with the total area, total volume?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. This combination is little dangerous, student. Normally, guys, the combination cone with hemisphere is okay. Cylinder with hemisphere is okay. And this cylinder and cone means, there will be 2 height and slanting height. Those things will be there. But it's okay. It's okay. We will deal those kind of questions also. Clear or not? Because the moment you read the question, you should know, yes, this guy is little dangerous because sometimes we don't know how much complexity of the problem, correct or not? We will write. Guys, those kind of complexity, you can do it later. There is no condition that you have to put in the same order. You can follow the order as a teacher. When I'm correcting the paper, whoever writing in the order, I'm so happy to correct your paper and given the mark. But the problem is, it is not compulsory that you have to follow the order. Whatever easy question, finish it first. But it's not like 1 mark, then 1 2 mark, then 1 3. No. Whatever question you know in 2-mark question, finish that. Whatever question you know in 4-mark, finish that. Like that, the teacher who is correcting paper, they will not, move your question paper somewhere and here and there. Clear or not? It is easy for the teacher to finish your paper easily, quickly. Now, guys, coming to that, the 10th student. 10th is what, student? 10th is what? A cone is there, student. Cone is there, then what you have? 10th means what normally? Cone and what? No, what is
Cylinder.
talking? Cylinder. Guys, start. The total height and the diameter, student. The total height and the diameter is 13.5. Guys, some of them, having the difficulties. Sir, which is 30 radius and which is height, sir? Diameter. Guys, which comes first? You know that, right? Don't have that problem in the examination hall, right? Whether 13.5 is a height or 28 is a height. Which word is coming first in English? Height is coming, second is diameter. Actually, they have to put respectively something, but it's okay. But you should know, right? This is height and this is diameter. So, oh God, where is that? Where is that line? I put some line here. Guys, total height is 13.5. 13.5. And the radius is what? Sorry, radius is what? 20. The diameter is 20 means radius is what, student? 14.
14.
If the height of the cylindrical portion is 3, student, can you tell me what is the height of this guy?
10.5 meter.
10.5 meter.
10.5. 10.5 meter. That's all. Here everything meter, student, not centimeter, correct? This is everything meter. Okay. Done. Everything is meter. Guys, why they didn't give for hemisphere separate height? Because hemisphere, radius equal to height. But in cylinder, don't assume that this radius equal to height. Height can be different. That's why they are explicitly telling what's the height of the cylinder, right? Now, thorough student, let's come to that. What is the question? Total surface area of the tent. I will not use any word. I always use what? Which word? Required area. So this required area, which means what? That is total surface area only. But here also, you are going to use what? Only CSA of the
CSA
cone.
of cone plus CSA of
CSA.
cylinder.
CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder.
Why is it CS?
CSA of cone is what? Pi RL. CSA of cylinder is what?
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH. Guys, what is the third step? Take out commonly factor L plus
H.
2H. Very important, 2H. Now, guys, you have to substitute the value. Now, coming to that. Whether I have pi, shall I substitute pi as pi or 22 by 7? Guys, I think you can substitute 22 by 7. It will get cancelled. Let's see that. If you're not able to, then we'll bring back to pi. No problem.
14.
R is what? R is what? Yeah, 14. Yes, you can cancel it. Now, slant height. L is what? Guys, L is here. And what is L? Root of H square,
H square plus R square.
H is what, student? H is what? Don't say this height. Don't say this height. This H is what? This cylindrical portion. Sorry, this conical portion. This is your height. Are you clear? Are you clear? So this H and this H is different, student. This H is cylinder. This H is cone. That's why people will use what? H1, H2. But no need to worry. If you deal it separately, no one is going to ask. What is that? L equal to what? H equal to what? 10.5 square. What is R?
14 square.
Guys, hereafter it's your duty, right? Some problem will be more lengthy to find, but you try to do it, student. But you try to identify the common thing, student. What is the common thing, guys? Here also 7 square is there. Here also 7 square is there. Like I told you earlier, correct or not? Is there, sir? How come, sir? Yes, 14 is what, student? 7 into 2. 105 is what, student? 105 is what? 7 into what? 7 table now? 1 point. Guys, thinking lot. 1.5, correct or not? 7 into 1.5, 7.5, 10.5, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Why I'm doing all those things, student? To making it easy. Because both the places 7, 7 common, that is 7 square I can take out. So out of the root 7 directly out. So what will be inside? 1.5 square plus 2 square. We can easily simplify this guy. No, sir, I'm not clear with that. No problem. You do 105 square, if you know 14 square, and take out the root. Finally, your answer will be, student, 17.5. I'm leaving the decision. I'm leaving the decision what way you are going to do. This L only you are going to put 17.5. Now 2. H is what? Guys, again, whether this H or this total or this is, how to confirm? Very simple. Go reversely. This is H. This H is what? Cylindrical height. So the H is what?
3.
That is 3. Very important. Small careless mistake, you lose your centum. So 2. Guys, 22 into 2 is what?
44.
44.
44.
2 into 3. Guys, 6. 6 plus 17.5. Guys, simplify and tell me the answer.
23.5.
23.5. What is the final answer? 1034
1034 meters square.
meter square. Or you can write square meter also, student. Both of them correct. Okay. Then, you know, guys, to write the answer. Okay. Separate. Sir, how to deal with in actual my paper? You draw the diagram and this first work, student, or in the left side, no problem. And this is one side. So basically, it is not more than one page, student. Okay. So you can say now, you know, what is that? TSA of 10 equal to 1034 meters square. Guys, whether I need to write the answer or not, if you ask, guys, please, you write the answer, highlight it. Teacher will give the tick mark and they will leave the place easily. Clear or not? Clear
Sir,
or
I
not?
have a doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me. Doubts are welcome.
Sir, we have to find only total surface area of the tent only, no, sir. Why we have to find the cylinder also, sir?
Tent means includes everything. Na? What you are thinking that? Tent means only this area? No. Tent includes this area and this area. Basically, you are thinking this is a tent. This is also one kind of tent, Sri Vaishnavi. This is
Okay,
also
sir.
one tent. And
Okay.
this is also other tent, okay? So tent
Okay.
Sir,
can
in question they have mentioned, right, sir? Right circular
the tent is in
cylinder
the shape
sub
of
mounted.
what? Cylinder and cone, correct or not? Right, Sri Vaishnavi?
Okay,
So,
sir.
the tent can be, yeah, I know some tent only cone. But this tent is what? With cylinder also. Clear or not?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. Appreciate you. But you should know why I'm taking, sir. They are asking DSA. Why you are saying GSA? I mean that you should know because this area is not covered. Only top and bottom only what considers a total surface area for the, right? Am I right or not? Guys, say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if we'll have the base.
Yes. A base is not included, right? A tent means, you know, normally
No,
actually
sir.
the,
If it is there, how, sir?
then you have to include pi r square extra, student.
Okay,
Because
sir.
base is what? Base is what? Circle.
Circle. Yes, sir.
Yeah. They will clearly say base also they are covering it. Then you have to include the base, right, student? We are going to
Sir,
have.
or TSA minus pi r square, sir.
Why you are saying that? Let it be TSA, let it be CSA. I don't like subtraction. I like always addition. So that's why, guys, your TSA formula very rarely used. Trust me. You will always even you don't want to know your TSA just by knowing your CSA more than enough, student. Clear or not? We will not use TSA formula any of your problem. At least from my knowledge, 95%. Okay. So TSA very rare case. Only CSA and volume you should remember, right, student? Only CSA and volume. Volume is very important because conversion of solids, when I'm teaching, everything purely volume formula student. Okay. So guys, what I'm going to say, okay, I'll give you some homework, right? I'll put in the screen number 15 and 16. Okay, and try to do it. Correct or not? Try to do it. Anyhow, I'll give some worksheet, but I'll give you some 5 problems, student, for today's things, right? As usual, student, please, if you are not following, if you are not doing homework sincerely, from today onwards, yes, I'm going to do the homework. Whatever RSR is going to give, yes, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to leave even one problem. And I'm going to conduct, even every time I'm saying, guys, if you want Sunday doubt clarification session, please ask me. No one sent a message till now, sir, I have a doubt. Can we have this Sunday for my doubt clarification? Correct or not? No one requested me. Correct or not? So please start doing it, then the doubt will come. Right, student? So what is your homework today? Learn the formulas thoroughly. Don't leave even one formula. First thing that. Second, do the combination of solid, the problem, whatever I did, plus the one which I'm going to give in the screen number 15 and 16. Clear? Maybe some 5 to 6 questions I'll give this one. Okay. Apart from that, tomorrow, after in the next class, we will see combination of solids, sorry, conversion of solids. After finishing this, I will give you a worksheet which includes combination of a conversion that will be taken care of in the 3rd class, student. So somehow today is Tuesday and Thursday we will cover conversion of solids, and Saturday we will complete our what? All worksheet problem, mainly the board exams. Guys, how systematic we are preparing. Why I'm leaving the space one day? For your things only, student, right? Sit and do that. Sit and do that. Every day, 7:30, think that max class is there. Sit and do sincerely the problem. Guys, magic will happen. Right? With that, I'm going to end today's session. We'll meet again on Thursday. If I'm not
Sir, I
sending...
have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Quick.
some questions will be asked like some solid metallic sphere and all, sir. We have to use the volume formula or the CSS, sir.
Wait. No, what is the question they are asking? Let it be solid or anything. Question is what? They are asking
Okay, sir.
volume or area.
No, sir, they'll just use the solid of a metallic sphere and they'll ask some questions, sir.
That is conversion of solids. Shivani,
No, sir,
that is
not the volume, sir.
in
Sir,
conversion of solids.
I'll send the question to you, sir.
Don't worry. That's what today is just a starting day, right? Tomorrow,
Okay.
next class, we are going to solve. You just listen me. The moment I am going to give the worksheet, you tell me anything is not covered. You can ask me why you are urging. Right?
Okay, sir.
Wait for first you finish whatever I teach, then we'll see that. Don't worry. I'm here, student, to make even much difficult formulas are there, speed related, water is flowing through a pipe. I'm going to teach you all simple way. You have to stay with me, okay? Then magic will happen. Right? Take care, student. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yash, are you there or not? I didn't listen. Hear not even a single word from you. Yash,
Sir, I'm there, sir. I'm there, sir.
have you listened everything properly?
Yes, sir. I tried my best.
Sure now, super.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I'll talk to you.
Sure, sir. Sir, we have a class, right?
I'll talk to you. I said I'll talk to you. Okay. Yes. You please call me over the phone, please.
Sir, I don't have a phone, sir.
You don't have the phone?
No.
Just ask your father, na?
Sir,
Yes.
we can just tell all the students to leave at last. I'll wait.
Okay. Okay, guys. Everyone can leave. Take care. Guys, everyone can leave the meeting.